The brain is an incredible organ that serves as the command center of our body, managing everything we do, think, and feel. Nestled safely inside our skull, it's responsible for controlling actions like walking and talking, as well as processing our thoughts, memories, and emotions. It even keeps us breathing and our hearts beating without us having to think about it. The brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem, each with a unique role in keeping us active and aware. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. This part is like a supercomputer, handling complex tasks such as reading, problem-solving, and remembering important information. It's what helps us recognize faces, learn new skills, and even imagine fantastic stories. The cerebrum is divided into two halves called hemispheres, which work together to control different sides of the body. It's like having a left and right teammate for every thought and movement. Then we have the cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. It's smaller than the cerebrum, but incredibly important. The cerebellum is all about balance, coordination, and movement. Thanks to the cerebellum, we can walk in a straight line, kick a soccer ball, or even balance on one foot. It's always working behind the scenes to ensure that we move smoothly, making activities like riding a bike or dancing possible. Finally, there's the brainstem, which sits at the base of the brain and connects to the spinal cord. It might be small, but it handles big responsibilities. The brainstem controls all the automatic functions that keep us alive, like breathing, digestion, and keeping our heart beating. It's the reason we can sleep soundly without worrying about forgetting to breathe. The brain itself is made up of billions of special cells called neurons. Neurons communicate with each other using tiny electrical signals, sending messages throughout the body faster than the blink of an eye. This intricate network allows us to react quickly to the world around us, like pulling our hand away when we touch something hot or catching a ball without thinking twice. It's like a relay race happening in our heads, where information zooms back and forth between the brain and body. Even when we're asleep, our brains stay busy, organizing memories and helping our bodies rest. It's always learning and adapting, making new connections when we learn something new or try a challenging puzzle. This ability to change and grow is called neuroplasticity, and it's what helps us learn languages, play musical instruments, and develop new skills throughout our lives. The brain truly is one of the most amazing parts of our bodies, always working, always thinking, and always growing. It's a reminder that even though we can't see it in action, there's a whole universe of activity happening inside our heads, making every moment of life possible.